Welcome to the Future Ready Librarians webinar, the 6th annual Digital Learning App Smash. And we couldn't be more excited to have you here. This is always one of our favorite events of the year. And so let's get going because we have lots of people to share.
Hi, everyone. I'm Rachel Lemansky, and I'm an elementary library coordinator from Central Massachusetts. I am thrilled today to introduce you to KaiBot. It is my go-to tool for bringing engaging hands-on coding and problem solving to the elementary library. As a future-ready librarian, I am always looking for ways to connect technology and literacy and cross-curricular learning, and KaiBot really delivers for me. KaiBots are interactive, screen-free robots designed to teach foundational coding skills. So what makes them stand out? They are incredibly visual and tactile. So unlike other robots where coding might feel abstract, KaiBots use physical cards and immediate light up feedback, which makes sequences easy for all learners to understand. This makes them highly accessible for every student, whether they are pre-readers or those with diverse learning needs. Plus, my biggest plus, they are significantly more affordable than many other classroom robots. KaiBots are a perfect fit for the Future Ready framework. This is a tool that transforms our use of space into a collaborative hands-on lab, and it builds instructional partnerships with our teachers by integrating coding and critical thinking across all of our subjects. To help you do that, I've created an entire book creator book, Getting Started with KaiBots, which is packed with these cross-curricular integration ideas. And you can also find even more lesson plans directly on the Kai's Education website. So if you're looking for an interactive, visual, accessible, and affordable way to engage your students, I highly recommend exploring KaiBots. You can grab my book, it's linked on the slide, check out Kai's Education, and empower your students with these fantastic robots.
Hi, I'm Heather Brown. I'm actually a math and STEAM teacher from East Coloma Nelson Elementary School in rural Illinois. And I know I'm in a librarian webinar today for the first time in my life, but honestly, librarians and STEAM teachers are very much on the same mission. We both create spaces where kids can explore, experiment, and get curious, which is exactly why I'm excited to share this tool with you. And it goes along with what Rachel just told you about with the KaiBots. So this is called Kainundrum, and it actually grabs the kids' attention instantly, because they get to guide a customizable KaiBot avatar through different puzzles and mazes, and they get to choose how they control it. They can use block coding, Python, or even just the arrow keys if that's where they're comfortable. And there's no robot required. So if you only have a couple of the robots, a few students can be using the robots while the rest are doing the Kainundrum. So it makes it easy to use anywhere. Kainundrum also includes over 25 pre-made lessons, including the one based on The Very Hungry Caterpillar. So you can connect coding to literacy or other content areas without any extra planning if you don't want to. But my favorite part is definitely the creation piece, because students can actually design their own puzzles and share them with their classmates. And you can create the puzzles too. Librarians and teachers can build their own custom challenges that introduce a topic, reinforce a skill, or even set up a station activity. And if you want an easy place to start, there's a free Kainundrum Lite app if you have things like iPads that have the puzzles ready to go for you. Now, for future ready librarians, Kainundrum checks off several boxes. You are supporting digital and computational literacies, building collaboration, and turning your library into an innovative makerspace, all without needing the actual additional equipment. Now, there's a lot of ways that you can use it with students. For example, you can use it with the Very Hungry Caterpillar maze during a literacy lesson, or have students create a puzzle based on a science cycle or a different concept. Like if your class is studying the United States, you might have them map out a course through the United States on this map. And to make getting started even easier, I've also included a few short little videos in my slide, and that will help walk you through some of the basics. So Kainundrum brings creativity, coding, problem solving, and student voice together in a way that fits perfectly into a future-ready library, even if the person sharing it today is a math teacher from down the hall. And again, it connects perfectly with the KaiBots that Rachel just talked to you about.
So thank you, friends. We're so proud of the journey that you're going to take as a Future Ready Librarian this year and the one that you have been taking. I am so grateful for everyone who joined us tonight and also for the presenters. You guys are amazing. And so thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you, and we'll see you guys soon.